Welcome to the Abekas broadcast server system. This is the finest broadcast serving system in America today. In fact, it's the finest broadcast server in the world. This is used by all the television networks and many production companies. The power of this system is that you can record up to 8 individual cameras, all isolated so that you can easily pull the files out and edit them at a later date. Or you can put them directly on the air. One of the main things about this system is you have a total of 4 channels on each one of these pages. You have channel A through D in this viewer, and you have channels E through F in this viewer. There are multiple things on this system that you can use. Like right here is the viewer system, so you can see all the various sources that you're working with. Time codes here, and when it says 0, that means that these are not playing. This one here is recording at 100%. Here's another playout. This here is a Kate Nash program that's on the air now, and this is another file, and this is live television right here. Well, let's take a look at some of the fine features of this system. Right here, if you want to load in a file, all you have to do, let's go to this channel here, you can load in just like that, or you can double click down here. As long as it's lit up there, it'll show up here, and it just loaded this file in. Right now we're going to do a simple playlist in the system. The first thing you want to do is go over here to New, and when you hit New, it'll come up with 3 different things: a new folder, a replay event, or of course a new playlist. We're going for a playlist. We now take the playlist and we're going to load it into this channel right here. There we go. Now we're going to decide what we want to put into the playlist. And one of the things about the Abekas Mirror system is it's broadcast and easily put together. It's so friendly, you can build a playlist in like 2 seconds. Click it over here and just drag it in for what you want. Right now we've got 2 events in our playlist. We can add as many as we want. We can also change things around. So I'll put this in and say, well, I don't want this band here, I'm going to put this one here. And that's how simple and easy it is to build a playlist. So you can put as many items in here. One thing about this broadcast server, it's designed for high-end broadcast operations. You can run a 24-hour television channel on this. And by simply putting together a playlist like we're doing here, it's an easy and simple and effective way to build a television station out. Now once you've decided what you want to put into your playlist, you then hit Save and air the list. At which point now, it has saved the list over here, and we can simply air it like this. So we saved it. Now we're going to go here and hit play, and the system will start running. Now there's a couple of things that are real exciting about this list play. You can put it in a loop mode, which means that these files will continuously loop for hours and hours on end until you stop them. Now let's play one of our files. Right now we're playing the Black Angels webcast, and here it is right here. It shows up in red. Now if you want to change something in the playlist, you can drag and drop it and just move it around. So if I don't want this here, I can put this here. Now this is on red, it's on the air. Green is what our next event is. Now, if I want to simply put this next event on the air immediately, I click it here, and then you can play this segment next. You can queue this segment up for another play, but I want to play this segment immediately. As soon as I do that and hit it, it automatically put it on the air right over here on the channel. This is one of the main powerful features of the Abekas system. Thus, we've created a basic program playlist. No matter what we want, we can change it around. This is on the air, so I want to move this, let's say here. I just simply move things around. I want to put this here. Now I'm doing this. This is on the air, and it's not affecting anything on the air. But as soon as I change things around, I always want to hit Save, thus keeping the playlist. Again, this is the Abekas broadcast server, one of the finest pieces of equipment in America today, and you need it in your TV station.